I don't have real-time information on current trends. However, I can suggest some general technology trends that were gaining momentum around that time. Keep in mind that these trends may have evolved or new ones may have emerged since then. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML. Continued advancements in AI and ML are likely to influence various industries, including healthcare, finance, and cybersecurity. Green technology, sustainable and environmentally friendly technologies are becoming increasingly important. This includes innovations in renewable energy, energy-efficient systems, and eco-friendly practices across various industries. Biotechnology and health tech. Advances in biotechnology, genomics, and health tech are transforming healthcare, with personalized medicine, gene editing, and telehealth playing significant roles. Quantum computing. Although in the early stages, quantum computing research and development are progressing. It holds the potential to revolutionize computation by solving certain problems exponentially faster than classical computers. Blockchain and cryptocurrency. The interest in decentralized technologies, blockchain, and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum has been on the rise, with potential applications in finance, supply chain, and beyond. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR. AR and VR technologies are gaining traction in gaming, education, healthcare, and industrial training. Cybersecurity innovations. As cyber threats continue to evolve, there's a growing focus on developing advanced cybersecurity solutions, including AI-powered threat detection and zero-trust architectures. Automation and robotics. Automation is impacting various sectors, from manufacturing to logistics. Robotics and autonomous systems are being deployed to enhance efficiency and reduce labor-intensive tasks. Please note that the popularity and impact of these trends may vary across regions and industries. It's recommended to stay updated with the latest news and industry reports for the most current information on technology trends. 5G technology. The rollout of 5G networks is expected to enhance connectivity, enabling faster internet speeds and supporting the development of new technologies such as the Internet of Things, IoT, and augmented reality, AR. Edge computing. With the increasing volume of data generated by IoT devices, edge computing allows processing data closer to the source, reducing latency and improving efficiency.